This instructional video is on how to adjust the view of the Strike Genius between 2 and 3D. Currently we're in the 3D mode. You can change it by the icon on the top right hand corner. So now you're in a 2D mode, and switch back using the same icon. It's also possible to change the view of your screen. To zoom in or out on the icon, simply touch the screen and select one of the icons along the bottom. It's also possible to pivot your view of your icon in the middle of the screen using the arrows on the left hand side. Again, switching from 3D back to 2D using the icon in the top right corner.